Well, greetings, my Moody Theological Seminary Greek geeks. We are entering into week 9, Charis Human Kai Herede, week 9 of New Testament Greek 1. And let me ask again, how are those good self-disciplined study schedules and disciplines coming along for Master New Testament Greek? Firing on all 8 cylinders, right? Remember, you are disciplining yourself to study with regularity, 4 to 6 days a week, right? 2 to 3 hours a day. Reading the New Testament text of the Word of God in and from its original Koine Greek will eventually be worth the work. For your motivational memo this week and normally hereafter, plan to see the exegetical insight at the beginning of each chapter in the text, Mount's Basics of Biblical Greek. One would do well also to review the motivational memo posted in the weekly announcements in weeks 1 through 8. So you might want to go back and look at those again and be reminded of those factors. Well, we are moving into week 9, and we're dealing with relative pronouns this week. So we want you to recognize the form and understand the basic function of Greek relative pronouns. We want you to pronounce the Greek text accurately. We want you to memorize frequent New Testament Greek words. We want you to translate portions of the Greek New Testament. And we want you to open and navigate through the Logos Exegetical Guide. For your reading and viewing listening requirements this week, you need to read through Mount's Basics of Biblical Grammar, Chapter 14. You need to watch the video lectures for Chapter 14. You want to view Dr. Woodall's material on Logos Exegetical Guide and Dr. Woodall's material on parsing and translation for Mount's 14. Note the information on the discussion here. There is some information there you just need to take note of, especially the order of your posting. We want the Greek phrase sentence followed by your translation and then your discussion, dramatically explaining, defending your translation. And then, of course, notice the 3 things below as well for your replies to your peers. Workbook 9 you need to complete. As it indicates here, you've got parsing 1 through 10, the warm-up alpha eta, and translations 1 through 8. You need to record your pronunciation of 1 John 4:4 and take quiz number 9. And keep in mind that grading may come along a little slower because I'll be traveling the next 3 weeks yet as well. There are some videos hopefully attached of my travels to Tel Sheva, the Ramon crater, Timna Park, where I viewed the pagan temple and the tabernacle in the wilderness, the Jordanian mountains, and then coming back north from the lot up the Dead Sea Valley to Jerusalem. I stopped at Masada and climbed it, and I think there's some videos there from the palaces, at least on the north end of Masada. Well, there's the normal reminders here, but don't let the fact that these are repetitions deter you from remembering them. There's a list of the things that you're responsible for in categories there. Again, information reminding you about the discussion board and your workbook assignments, and then a reminder about the late policy. And again, just a note on my travels. Well, I trust you all have a good week of study. Remember, feel free always to contact me by email, or if necessary, you can try getting in contact with me through FaceTime if you've got an Apple product, an iPhone, or an iPad, and or you can try to contact me through Skype. Sometimes it's better to give me an email first, let me know you're going to be trying to contact me, but feel free to do so if you need to. Keep in mind the time differences. I'm 8 hours ahead of Chicago Central Time, so do keep that in mind. Well, enjoy your week of study, enjoy the videos, assuming I get them uploaded for you. Just basically enjoy your study of New Testament. God bless.